how to fix an error occurred while launching this game on Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue on your Steam, then here's what you need to do. So first thing what you want to do is just open up your Steam application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply click on the Steam icon at the top left corner, and from there just select settings. So once you're inside settings, click on this interface option over here. And as you can see right next to the interface option, when you click it, you can see there is an option called client beta participation. So once you click on this drop down menu, you can see a lot of options, but in my case there's only two options because it's the Steam beta version has not been updated yet. So you can either choose between Steam beta version, and if you see any other option you can also choose like family beta version, and just make sure you restart by selecting the beta version. Once you do all of that, make sure to restart your Steam and just see if it fixes your issue or not. So if it is still not fixing your issue, so here's what you need to do next. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Goldbug Emulator download. You will be heading over to this page, which is the official page of Goldbug Emulator download. So just tap on this latest build to simply download and the file over here. So once you download the file, as you can see I've already downloaded it. You can simply extract it anywhere you want. So I've just extracted it on over my desktop over here. So once you download it, just open up the folder, and if you're using Windows you just have to copy these and these files, but if you are using Linux you can simply head over to the Linux folder and just click on this x86-64 and simply copy both of these files. So since I'm using Windows, I'll show this process. So now what you need to do is just come over to your Steam application once again and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply select a library and just right click on any of the games whichever in which you are facing such issue, and simply click on manage, and you should see the option called open to local files. So since I haven't downloaded this application yet, so it's not available for me, but in your case it will be available, the option called open in local files. And once you open it in a local files just like this, make sure you paste the files which you just copied from over here. So in your Windows case, just copy these two files from over here and simply paste it to the particular game in which you are facing error of that game's local file. So that should fix your issue successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.